Welcome back to our channel. If you're looking for the best washing machines of 2024, you've come to the right place. We've researched and tested the top models to bring you our top 5 picks. Check out the links in the description to learn more about each model and where to buy them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. So, let's dive right in. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Electrolux ELFW4222AW. This machine is perfect for small spaces and apartments. Don't let its compact size fool you. It packs a punch with features like steam cleaning and a quick wash cycle that can handle a full load in just 20 minutes. Plus, it's incredibly energy efficient. Discover the perfect blend of performance and convenience with the Electrolux 2.4 cu foot white compact front load washer with LuxCare wash system, ELFW4222AW. Designed for modern living, this compact washer is ideal for small spaces, yet it doesn't compromise on power or efficiency. Experience superior cleaning with the advanced LuxCare wash system, which offers improved wash actions, temperature control, and smart load sensing. Your clothes will come out cleaner, fresher, and with less wear and tear. With its 2.4 cubic feet capacity, this washer is perfect for apartments, condos, or any home where space is at a premium. Despite its compact size, it can handle surprisingly large loads, making it both versatile and efficient. Harness the power of steam to lift stains and dirt from your fabrics. The steam clean option penetrates deep into fibers, ensuring a thorough clean that's gentle on your clothes. In a hurry? The 20-minute fast wash cycle allows you to quickly clean a full load of laundry, perfect for those last-minute needs or when you're on the go. Save on utility bills with this energy-efficient washer. It's designed to consume less water and electricity, making it an eco-friendly choice that doesn't sacrifice performance. The sleek, white exterior and stylish design of the ELFW4222AW add a touch of elegance to any laundry room. Its intuitive control panel makes it easy to select the perfect cycle for your laundry needs. With its sleek design and powerful performance, the Electrolux ELFW4222AW is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to save space without compromising on quality. Coming in at number 4 is the LG WM4000H. LG is known for its innovative appliances, and this washing machine is no exception. It features AI technology that senses the fabric type and load size, then adjusts the wash cycle for optimal cleaning. And with its TurboWash 360 degrees technology, you can get your laundry done in no time. Elevate your laundry routine with the LG WM4000HVA 4.5 cu foot capacity smart washer with TurboWash in black steel. This innovative washer combines cutting-edge technology with stylish design to deliver an exceptional cleaning experience. Get your laundry done faster with TurboWash technology. It uses powerful jet spray and atomizing rinse nozzles to cut wash times by up to 30 minutes without compromising cleaning performance. With a generous 4.5 cubic feet capacity, this washer can handle large loads, making it perfect for families and busy households. Wash more clothes in fewer loads and save time and energy. Connect your washer to your smartphone with LG's ThinQ app. Start or stop your wash cycle remotely, get notifications when your laundry is done, and troubleshoot issues with ease. Integration with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa allows for hands-free control. The washer's AI technology senses the type of fabric and load size, automatically selecting the optimal wash motions, temperatures, and times for the best cleaning results. Protect your clothes and ensure they come out looking their best. Utilize the power of steam to eliminate allergens, bacteria, and stubborn stains. The Steam Clean feature penetrates deep into fabrics, ensuring a thorough and hygienic clean. The sleek black steel finish not only looks modern and sophisticated, but is also scratch-resistant and easy to clean. Add a touch of elegance to your laundry room with this beautifully designed washer. The LG WM4000H is a smart, efficient machine that makes laundry day a breeze. It's perfect for busy households. At number 3, we have the GE PFQ97HSPVDS. This model stands out with its ultra-large capacity and advanced wash system. It has built-in Wi-Fi, allowing you to control and monitor your laundry from your smartphone. Plus, the SmartDispense technology automatically dispenses the right amount of detergent for each load. Revolutionize your laundry routine with the GE PFQ97HSPVDS 28-inch Smart Front-Load Washer/Dryer Combo. Combining the power of a washer and dryer into one sleek, efficient unit, this appliance is perfect for maximizing space without compromising on performance. With a generous 4.8 cubic feet capacity, this washer/dryer combo can handle large loads, reducing the number of cycles needed and saving you time and energy. Stay connected with built-in Wi-Fi, allowing you to control and monitor your laundry from anywhere using the SmartHQ app. Receive alerts when your laundry is done, start or stop cycles remotely, and even get maintenance notifications. Choose from 12 wash cycles and 14 dryer cycles to cater to all your laundry needs. From delicate fabrics to heavy-duty loads, there's a cycle for every type of garment and level of soiling. Enjoy the convenience of washing and drying in one single unit. Perfect for small spaces, this combo eliminates the need for separate machines, saving valuable floor space and making laundry day more efficient. Keep your washer/dryer combo fresh with the Ultra Fresh Vent system. This innovative feature circulates air to eliminate excess moisture, preventing odors and mildew buildup. The advanced wash system provides thorough cleaning by using powerful water jets and dynamic drum movement. It ensures your clothes come out spotless, fresh, and ready to wear. The sleek, contemporary design of the PFQ97HSPVDS adds a touch of elegance to any laundry room. Its intuitive control panel and bright LED display make it easy to select and customize your wash and dry cycles. If you need a reliable, high-capacity washing machine with smart features, the GE PFQ97HSPVDS is the one for you. Our runner-up at number 2 is the LG WM3555HVA. This washer-dryer combo is ideal for those who need both functions in a single unit. It's compact yet powerful, with features like TurboWash and True Steam. The LG WM3555HVA ensures your clothes come out clean and fresh every time. Experience the ultimate in laundry convenience with the LG WM3555HVA 24-inch Smart Front-Load Washer/Dryer Combo. Combining advanced technology, a compact design, and robust features, this all-in-one unit is perfect for any home, especially where space is at a premium. Despite its compact size, this washer/dryer combo offers a generous 2.4 cubic feet capacity, allowing you to wash and dry moderate-sized loads efficiently. Save time with TurboWash technology, which uses high-pressure nozzles to cut wash times by up to 30 minutes without sacrificing cleaning performance. Choose from 14 wash programs, 13 wash options, and 8 dry cycles to handle any type of laundry. From delicates to heavy-duty items, there's a perfect setting for every need. Protect your family with the allergen cycle, which uses steam to remove over 95% of common household allergens, making it perfect for those with allergies or sensitive skin. Ensure a hygienic clean with the sanitize cycle, which eliminates bacteria and germs from your clothes, providing peace of mind with every wash. Refresh your clothes quickly with the steam refresh cycle, which uses steam to reduce wrinkles and odors in just a few minutes, making your garments look and feel fresh. Connect your washer/dryer combo to the LG ThinQ app and control your laundry remotely. Start or stop cycles, receive notifications, and troubleshoot issues right from your smartphone. Compatibility with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa offers hands-free convenience. The sleek and modern design of the WM3555HVA fits seamlessly into any home. Its compact size is perfect for apartments, condos, or any space-conscious environment. For those looking to save space and still get exceptional washing and drying performance, the LG WM3555HVA is a game-changer. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1, we have the Samsung WV60A9900AV. This washer is the epitome of innovation and efficiency. With its FlexWash feature, you get 2 washers in one, allowing you to wash separate loads simultaneously. It also boasts powerful cleaning technology and a sleek, modern design. The Samsung WV60A9900AV/A5, the ultimate solution for your laundry needs. This 6.0 cu-foot smart dial front-load washer combines groundbreaking technology, a spacious design, and sophisticated features to deliver an exceptional washing experience. With an impressive 6.0 cubic feet capacity, this washer can handle large loads with ease, making it perfect for families and busy households. Save time and energy by washing more clothes in fewer loads. Enjoy the flexibility of washing 2 loads at the same time with the innovative FlexWash feature. The main washer handles large, everyday loads while the smaller top washer takes care of delicate items or smaller loads. Speed through your laundry routine with the 28-minute super speed cycle. This high-performance setting washes a full load quickly and efficiently without compromising on cleaning power. The intuitive smart dial learns your favorite cycles and settings, making it easier than ever to choose the perfect wash cycle for your needs. Customize your washing experience with just a few simple touches. Remove stubborn stains and sanitize your clothes with the power of steam. The steam cleaning feature penetrates deep into fabrics to eliminate dirt, grime, and allergens, ensuring a thorough and hygienic clean. Control your washer from anywhere with the SmartThings app. Start or stop cycles, get notifications when your laundry is done, and troubleshoot issues right from your smartphone. Integration with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant allows for convenient voice control. The brushed black finish adds a touch of elegance and modernity to your laundry room. Its sleek design and premium build quality make it a stylish addition to any home. The Samsung WV60A9900AV is perfect for large families or anyone looking for the ultimate laundry experience. It's efficient, versatile, and truly top of the line. So, there you have it, our top 5 best washing machines of 2024. Whether you're looking for smart features, high capacity, or compact design, there's a perfect option for you. Check out the links in the description to learn more about each model and where to buy them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and happy washing!